So today we're doing another wheel trade. Just got these, but it's time to get rid of them. I didn't even know my bumper had came off, but yeah. Let's get the car backed up. Okay. Get this shit out of here. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna need the jack. And that's probably all, honestly, just the jack. Yeah. Alright guys, here the wheels are. We got the thing taken all off. These are, let me get that out the way. These are 17 by 9 plus 5 offset. Good tires. Good wheels. Just dirty as hell. Somebody's calipers were rubbing, but yeah. Cosmis. She'll offset and all that. 17 by 9. Now get your sticker. See that right there. So yeah. Got a wheel tray for some 18s. So these gotta go. Car's too low with them. Damn shit, I hope it do too. Man, I was, but I did not want to fuck with that shit yesterday. That shit go good with the red, that color. That's what I said. It's like, feel like a caramel down color, kinda. I fucked with it. That shit in the sun. I fucks with him. Man, you can get you a camera kit. Tuck that bitch. Oh man, you better slam that shit in the back then. That's all you gotta do. Tuck it in a little bit. Shit. Bro, I fuck with that red. Damn. I fuck with that goddamn red right there. That shit hard. Bro, that shit'll bring that shit all the way out.